Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will be covering some very I should say the most common question that I get from the people is how to start in cybersecurity. Like I have interest but I do not know where to start from. So for people like these, I have a really good roadmap that we're gonna discuss in this video. And after that, you can start with your cybersecurity field, right? And if you need any guidance anywhere, you can always contact me. I'll help you in that, right? So the first is learning the basics of computer, right? Like how things happen inside the computer, right? All that covers basic you need to cover. After you have covered that, you can refer to the CompTIA A plus course. Like if you do not know what to refer to, that is one reference for you. After completing that, the other thing would be your networking part, right? How packet is sent over a network, right? How many different protocols are present there? Which protocol is used for which purpose? Right, which protocol has which port number, all these information, how a packet is sent over a network, all these comes under networking, right? That you need to learn. For that you can refer to CompTIA Network Plus course. One is present on YouTube, right? You can refer to that if you want. After you have completed that, you need to learn about operating system, right? How operating system operates, how things work, right? Or how different processes are scheduled, all that things about operating system you need to learn, right? After that, go with the command. Like if you're learning Kali Linux, or I should say Linux, then understand how to work in that particular environment, right? That you need to learn. After you have completed that part, then comes your main, that is cyber security. In this also we have different fields. So if you're interested in web application penetration testing, then there are different books that you can refer to, that is Web Applications Hackers Handbook. Then you can also enroll in my course. I have a course for this particular thing in my startup, that is AS Security. You can also go with other Udemy courses. Okay, so in my course, like I teach that in live class, plus doubt clearing, everything is done properly. So if you want, you can join it. Second, we have Android pen testing. For that also, you have books like Android Hackers Handbook, and you have courses on Udemy as well. Then for network penetration testing, same. A lot of resources are present online, plus Udemy courses are present as well. And for others like server pen testing, hardware penetration testing, malware analysis, and reverse engineering. Then cybersecurity forensics. For all these, we have resources present online. Plus, there are different books as well that you can refer. Right. So just Google things and you'll get a lot of resource. If you feel like if you have any kind of confusion somewhere, or if you're not getting some resource, do contact me. I'll help you in that. Right. After covering all these things, right, learning whatever interests you the most, after that there are different jobs where you can apply, right? Okay, before coming to jobs, I want to discuss about programming language and some platforms, right? So for programming language, I would prefer you to go with Python or Bash. These two are used for scripting, like you can make tools using this, right? So that is why Python is most loved or liked by the hackers, because you can make different tools in Python, right? Anybody can use the tools made by others. So it would be really good if you will learn that, and you could make some tools on your own, right? Plus you also need to have idea of some other programming languages, right? Have idea of all the programming languages but learn few, right? So that, suppose if you want to find any kind of weaknesses or vulnerabilities in some language about which you do not have idea, that would be a problem for you, right? So it is preferred to have idea of other programming languages as well, and learn Python or Bash, right? So that you can make your own tools. After that, there are different platforms from where you can practice and learn. First one is Try Hack Me. There are different rooms that are present, right? And in different rooms, you are given some different challenges that you need to solve. And after that, you're given some points, right? That is really very good for beginners. So you can start with it. After that, you can also go with Hack the Box, but for Hack the Box, you need to have really good knowledge, because for that you need different knowledge. Sorry, I mean you need to have good knowledge of web app pen testing, then your server pen testing, right? All these things. So once you think that okay, you are have good knowledge of that, then you can go with Hack the Box, right? After that, CTFs, you can also play CTFs. That also helps in building your skills, right? There is one Pico CTF that is present online. You can do that. Sorry, you can see that, and you can start playing that. Or you can also participate in other CTF competition that is organized by different organizations. Then we have Cybrary, Pentester Academy. These are some platforms from where you can learn this your cybersecurity, right? Or I should say ethical hacking. After that, there are different jobs that you can do. You can go with cybersecurity analyst, website penetration tester, SOC analyst, cybersecurity trainer. Like you can also train people in this domain, and you can also work as a freelancer. Okay, that is also the option that is present. And apart from this, if you want to go in bug bounty hunting, for that also, like we have course, the same thing, the same course, web app pen testing. We also tell you the roadmap for bug bounty hunting. Yeah. So for that, there are different platforms present where you can hunt for bugs. That is Bugcrowd, HackerOne, Integrity, Synack, Yes We Hack. These are different platforms. Apart from these, you can also hunt on some external programs that you need to find using Google Docs, right? So this is a complete roadmap that you can follow, right? Start with it, because there is a lot of scope in cybersecurity field, and we need a lot of hackers. So keep learning and keep hacking. Thank you so much.